Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to solve the puzzles question which were asked at 3 p.m. today in Infosys examination, which happened today, 23rd of January 2022. So I'll be solving 4 to 5 questions on puzzles, and then I'll be discussing the technical ability question. So please watch the video till the end, and I will be also discussing I'll be analyzing the paper of 3 p.m. shift today. Was it difficult or hard? What kind of questions were asked? Each and everything. So let us start with the first question of puzzle. Now here if you'll see, so what happened? They divided 42 by 6. So if we'll divide 42 by 6, it will give you 7. And then they multiplied with 5. Then it was nothing but 35. Okay. So this is 35 is written here. Then again 91, they divided by 13. So it is nothing but 7, and then they multiplied by 5. So it is nothing but 35. Then here also it will be same thing will happen. 120 will be divided by 15. So 8 times. And then if you multiply by 5, it will give you 40. So 40 will be the correct answer. 40 will come here. So this was a puzzle which was definitely for 3 marks. And friends, the puzzle question at 3 p.m. shift were little bit tricky if we'll compare to the morning shift. As I said, I will be doing the analysis. So before we solve the trickiest puzzles, what I will tell you, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. You can see for every shift. So we have done the analysis of the morning shift, which was at 10 a.m. So every shift puzzle question, right reasoning ability, technical ability, pseudocode questions, we are doing it. So do not miss. So subscribe to the channel and also click on bell icon so that you will get notified with all the activities, all the updates at the earliest. Here, now what has happened? So 5 is square. Okay, so they did a square of 5, and then they did a square of 4, and then they subtracted 20, and then they subtracted 20, right? So we will see here. So 5 square will be 25, 4 square will be 16 minus 20. So 16 into 25 will be 400 minus 20 will be nothing but equal to 380. Now we will see what happened here. So 2 square into 8 square. So 2 square will be 4 and 8 square will be 64. 4 4 ja 16 and 4 6 ja 24 plus 1 will be 25. And then again they subtracted 20. So 230. Okay. Now even you can see the last row. So 7 square into 2 square, and then they subtracted 20. 7 square will be 49, 2 square will be 4 minus 20. So this is, if it will be 50 means 200. So it is 49 means it will become 196 minus 20. So it will become 176. This is what has been written here, right? Okay. Now we have 6 and 3. So 6 square into 3 square minus 20. 6 square will be 36, and then 9 minus 20. So 36 into 10 will be 360. So 360 minus 9 will be 351 minus 20. So if I am not wrong, no, there is some mistake is there. So 360, right? Okay, let me multiply. 9 into 6 is 54. 4, 5 will be in hand. 9 into 3 will be 27 plus 5 will be 324 minus 20. So 324 minus 20 will be 304. So here you can see option 4 will be the correct answer, right? So what mistake I did here? So 36 into 10 will be 360 minus 36. I had subtracted 9. That is the mistake I had done. Okay. So 324 minus 20 will be nothing but 304. Okay, now correct. So there is a multiplication mistake I had done. Anyway, so now you might be knowing that option 4 will be the correct answer for question number 2. Now question number 3. So question number 3, what has happened? So they have multiplied the first and the last number, and then they divided by 2. So we got 5. This was also for 3 marks. So some puzzles were easy, some puzzles were tricky. Then 6 into 4 will be 24 divided by 2. So 24 by 2 will be 12. Then 7 into 6. Okay. Then 7 into 6 will be 42, or 2 3s are, and 7 into 3 will be 21. So option 2 will be the correct answer. So these were the puzzle which was asked at 3 p.m. shift today in Infosys examination. Okay. Now definitely we can see here. So what will be the answer? So 2, 6, 12 and 36, right? So this 12 is divided by 2 and then multiplied with the remaining number. So 6 into 6, 6 into 6 will be 36. That means 36 has been mentioned here. Then again, this 12 will be divided by 3 4 times and multiplied with the remaining number. So 4 into 4 will be 16. This is what has been written here. Then definitely x divided by 5 into 7 will be 49. So what value should I keep here? So I can keep 35 here. So if I'll keep 35 here, then we can see 5 7 ja and 7 into 7 will be 49. 7 into 7 will be 49. So my answer will become 35. Option 4 will be my correct answer. So friends, puzzleware at the moderate level. Okay. So puzzleware at the moderate level in the 3 p.m. shift. Okay. 3 p.m. shift. Now let us see one number series problem. So which of these can be the next element in the following number series? So 520, 7, 121, 4, 620, 8, 813 and next. Now friends, so if you'll see 520, so 5 plus 2 plus 0. So 5 plus 2 plus 0. So 5 plus 2 will become what? 7. This is what is 7 here. Then 121. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 will be 4. Then 620. So 6 plus 2 plus 0. So 6 plus 2 plus 0 will be 8. That is what has been written here. Then 813. So 8 plus 1 plus 3. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. 12 means this third option will be the correct answer for question number 5. Okay. So friend, technical ability were definitely moderate level. So technical ability were definitely moderate level. Okay. We cannot say it was easy. It was a moderate level in 3 p.m. shift. So overall, if I say 3 p.m. shift was little tougher than the morning shift. Okay. So little tougher means if we will rate, so if on difficulty level of 10, if morning, if we'll say that to 10 a.m. shift, so 10 a.m. shift, if the difficulty level was 4, then in the 3 p.m. shift, the difficulty level was 6. Okay, so little bit difficult, more difficult. A wholesaler want to combine two variety of rice, R1 and R2, to make a new variety, R3. To do so, if he buys R1 at 40, okay, and R2 at 31 rupees per kg, in what ratio should he mix R1 and R2 such that the new variety R3 cost 37 rupees per kg? Okay, so here cost price 1, cost price 2 will be there, and this will be the cost price of the mixture after mixing R1 and R2. So basically we are mixing R1, we are mixing R2, and then we are making this R3 and selling. Okay, now this is a very simple question from alligation and mixture. So this is a very simple question from alligation and mixture. So 37 minus 31 will be 6, and 40 minus 37 will be 3. So 6 is to 3, 3 2s and 3 1. So 2 is to 1. So R1 and R2 you should mix in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Okay, so first one will become the answer. Friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So you might be thinking that this many of the student has commented that sir, these questions were not there in my shift. So friends, there were multiple sets of the questions were asked in your Infosys exam today. So few of you would have got directly the same question, few might have got some other shift, okay, some other set of the question. So if you have not got, no problem, because the questions were of similar level, similar type of questions were there. I hope it will be clear to each and everyone. Thank you, take care, and your result will be announced in a week of time.